Why do 80% of freelancers use PayPal to receive their money? Because it is fast, easy, and trusted worldwide. Let me tell you how you can do the same step by step. The first thing, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Click on Create Account, usually found at the top right. You will see two options, personal or business. For most beginners, choose Personal Account, and then click Next. Now enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and secure. The next step is to fill in your basic information, name, address, and phone number. Complete all 5 fields and review everything carefully so you don't face problems later. You will receive a confirmation email. Open it and click on the link to verify your account. As soon as you log in, add your bank card or account details to send and receive money via PayPal. It will guide you step by step. Just follow the instructions. And that's it. You have now created your PayPal account. You can shop, pay, or receive money safely and easily. Good luck.